everybody, this is Tina with Tina's Treasures, and today I finally got my Crafty Parcel from Simon Says Stamp. It was supposed to be here Monday, but due to the crazy amount of snow we got this weekend, it was delayed, and I wasn't sure when it was going to show up. And I got pretty excited when I saw it was out for delivery today. So let's see what we have in the box. It's like, what's in the box, Tina? What's in the box? I don't know, but I hope it's something good. And let us see. Okay, these are two things right here that I had ordered myself. Well, three things, I guess. It is a stamp set and die and some little snow domes for Tim Holtz. But yeah, I ordered these. So these were not part of the box, but these are Festive Merriment. And like an idiot, I accidentally ordered them twice. And luckily I was able to cancel one of them before it came out and I got charged. So there's that. But I thought this would be really good for tags with to, from, and you know, I've got too much stuff, but I order more, and I'm like, okay, I'll use it this year. Anyway, please enjoy your Crafty Parcel flip. And $5 off. Alrighty, put that to the side. And this cute little paper, and let's see what we have. We have a Gina K Designs. This might be a Stamp-Timber set, yes. I was really hoping for a Crazy Cats Stamp-Timber set that had been retired, but I will take this. This is something I do not have, so I cannot be too greedy, I guess. But yeah, this is gorgeous. I think this might have come out in 2023 or yeah, I think it was maybe 2023. Don't see a year on it. Anyway, let's move on. Gorgeous. Only thing that would make this better is the dies, but now I'm being greedy again. So, leave a little sparkle wherever you go. That's cute. We have some assemblage. This would make a cute pendant. Oh, too bad these aren't the same. Then that would be like a cute pendant and earrings. But I could still do something with these anyway. They would make some really cute pendants. They are very cute. Floral medallion. That I can already tell by looking at it. Cuts into the cardstock. You would have to cut like a circle die or a square if you wanted it separate. But, alrighty then. We have some sparkles, Christmas stars. Those are pretty. Whirl layer evergreen. That's kind of cool too. A positively everything tool. I am going to have to start giving these away because I have got a ton of these. But hey, only one, so that's not bad. Simon Says Stamp. This is Tireless Blossoms. I bet that's gorgeous when it's put together. Oh, look, it does a little heart and a little swag piece and a single rose, it looks like. Oh, yeah, there we go. Cute. And bundle of jacks. Oh, check that out. I used to play jacks. I love jacks. These were fun. And not to age myself, but I was playing jacks when other girls were not. I mean, it was kind of out of style by the time I was doing it, but I learned how to do it. It was enjoyable. It almost looks like a snowflake, doesn't it? Very cute. Speaking of snowflakes, we have a snowflake burst. That's cute. Honestly, though, I think I would cut these apart. That's just me. What do we got here? We have a chain. We have a Tim Holtz assemblage chain. I didn't even know he had chains. This must be pretty old. It came off the package, but that's a cute little chain. 18 inches. Okay. Find out something to do with that. Then we have some Gina K Designs what is this? Spice of Life. It's this, it looks like it's the stamp and the dies. These are spices. So if you are doing like organizing your spice jar, your spice jars and stuff, you could stamp out and make a little label, make your own little jars. That's kind of cute. Yeah, it comes with the cutting dies and for everything. Interesting. Then we have a little emboss and cut. I have this one. More assemblage. Now these, you could do earrings or pendants because they are 2 of each. Awesome. I think this is the Harlequin. I think I have this one too, or the Pepita. I might have this. Right. I'd have to look, but for some reason I'm thinking I do. That's alrighty. And we have scalloped masks, it looks like. Scalloped rectangles, 6x9 stencils for A7, which they work their way down. So you could, I'm sure, use them for an A2 card as well. Last year they sent me a bunch of these, and I still have them left. So yeah, I don't need the bee things, but the pattern paper, check this out. That's gorgeous. What I see so far, is that like Simple Stories, maybe? I don't think you want me going through every single piece of it. But yeah, we have pattern papers, and it is single-sided. And we have a sheet of, this probably goes with this pattern paper. And then this is kind of cute. It's got the little stamps you can cut apart and the gold on it. So that is my Crafty Parcel box. Honestly, it's got some really good stuff in it. I think I got better stuff last year, but that's just because some of the stuff, like the Pepita and stuff, it's like, oh yeah, this I already have. But, you know, that's just me overbuying stuff. But as you can see, it's mostly Simon Says stamp stuff, so that's pretty awesome. Only one Crafter Companion thing. I think the Huntington boxes a lot of times have way too much Crafter Companion in them. As someone who doesn't use much Crafter's Companions items, yeah, I had to skip the box this year because I've still got stuff in boxes underneath my desk that I have not used. Anyhow, that was it for the box. I hope you enjoyed it. I still will probably keep buying this box just because I love mystery boxes. And this box always has some good stuff in it that I can use. So that was our box for 2025. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you. If you are, thank you. And if you made it to the end, thank you again. And I will see you real soon. Bye-bye for now.